to my channel. I hope you guys really liked the last video that I posted. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I have a big event in a couple minutes. Where's my phone? I have a big event in a couple minutes and I need to start getting ready. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm in the bathroom. I'm at a hotel right now. So my makeup look today, it's gonna be like professional. So I gotta look professional. I'm gonna start off with my body butter. I make these body butters. You can find them on GALORE, which is my website, galore.com. These body butters help your skin moisturize for hours. Trust me, you will love them. So I'm just moisturizing my face right now. My makeup routine really isn't all that. I really don't do makeup like that a lot, but when I go out, I have to look good, you know. When I have big events, I have to look good. I don't know if I want to do a red look or if I want to do a nude look. I'm gonna see how the makeup comes out. I need to look professional. Now I moisturized my face already. I moved the camera because I didn't want it in front of the sink, so I got everything in front of me. I'm going to start with the base. So this is Tarte's Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Why does it smell like sunscreen? Okay. What side looks better on? This side or this side? Okay, so now that I got the base, I'm going to start with eyebrows. Honestly, I don't like when my eyebrows are all greasy, so I'm going to take off a little bit of that primer. I might have to do my eyebrows off camera because I have to get close to the mirror to get it perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be back. So I look a little crazy right now, don't mind it, because everything's gonna come together, trust me. So I just got done doing my eyebrows. So the next thing I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna put more body butter on my face because I think I forgot to put it on my T-spot and it's getting really dry. So that's really dry right there. And I just don't want my makeup to flake, so I'm going back in with my moisturizer because I felt my face getting a little drier. I don't think that that base helped. I really don't know. But okay, so now we're gonna start with the makeup on my face. So I like to put a little bit of foundation on my spots right here because I'm growing a little bit of pimples, and on this side. So I mix up my colors because I'm a weird shade. So I got this Becca foundation. It's in the shade 3N3 in khaki, and then I mix it with this Morphe F390 matte foundation, and then I mix it with this Marc Jacobs Extra Shot. It's called Extra Shot, the shade 420 Deep. So I mixed those three foundations up to get my color. Okay, I just got done mixing them three foundations. I think I found my color, so I'm gonna put this on this side of my face. So I like to work in small, I like to work like in small, what's the word? Like, what's the word? In small, y'all get what I'm saying. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this. I hate forgetting my words. Like my knowing Spanish really messes up my whole like English and all that. So I found the word. I like to work in small areas. That's the word. I can't believe I forgot what I was saying. Like, not what I was saying, but like I just forgot the word. But it's pretty hard for me to like I forget some of my English. I forget some words sometimes. But I speak more English than Spanish, so I don't know why I do that. But yeah, if I forget some words and you guys understand me, I'm just gonna be like, y'all know what I mean. Okay, so I just put like a really small layer of foundation on because I didn't want to overdo it. I don't like overdoing my foundation. I still wanted to make it seem like it's my skin, you know. Okay, now I'm going in with contouring. I love doing contouring with this foundation. It's just like, it just makes everything easier. And I got this technique off TikTok, so I do it on my nose so it looks more defined. And go up a little. So I'm just gonna buff up with this curved brush right here. You don't want to go downwards because then, I don't know, like it makes your face look weird. So it's all gonna come together. It looks very packed up, but I'll fix it. And then I go on with this brush right here. Okay, so I went in with my contour. I look a little crazy, a little too dark right now, but it's all gonna come together. So I went in with my contour with this little pointed brush. It defines it a lot more. So I go all the way by under my eyebrows because I just feel like the contour looks a little more cuter like that. Like it looks a little more snatched like that, you know. I don't know if you get me. I had went in with my beauty blender to make sure everything was flawless, and then now everything looks good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the highlight. So what I do with the highlight, I should have a line. I'm not gonna go with a foundation. So this is a little e.l.f. Contouring palette. I'm almost out, so I need to get a new contouring thing for my skin tone color. But I don't do much. I just go under like this. And then right there. Okay, so I just got done contouring and highlighting. I just highlighted under the contour to make sure it looks a little more cleaner. So now I'm going to, I think I'm done with my face. Guess what? I freaking forgot my powder at home. Hold on. I really forgot my powder at home. So let's see if this is gonna work. Oh. I just used the Morphe setting spray. I'll bring my little beauty blender just to make sure like I blend under my eyes at the event. So now we're gonna put lashes on. I don't know if I want to do color on my eyelids. I was gonna do a little brown, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna put my all-time favorite lashes on. That's the look. Okay, so I'm gonna put these lashes on and then I'm gonna move on to the lips. Okay, so I just got done putting my eyelashes on. It was a struggle because I'm running out of eyelash glue, so I might have to go buy some later. So these lashes are from the beauty supply store. I really don't know the name of them because I've been having them for a couple months now and they're my favorite. So I was thinking about putting some brown shadow on my eyelids. I just feel like it's gonna make it look a little more cuter with the lashes. So I'm not putting it any specific way. It's just gonna be a brown, like a soft brown. I look so all I did was put some brown. Oh, I'm using the NYX Adorable eyeshadow palette. And all I do is I just put it right in the middle, and then I got my blending brush and I brush everything out to make it look softer. That's what I want, like a soft brown look. I think I'm gonna go in with the nude gloss. Yeah, I think that will fit it way better. So I'm gonna line my lips, and then I'm gonna put the nude gloss. It's called Miss D, and this lip liner is they're both from GALORE, my website. Right now I don't have lip liners, but I do still have a couple more of matte lipsticks. I don't think I have any more Miss D's, but this lip liner is called Cocoa. It's one of our second to darkest browns. And there you guys have it. This is my final little soft glam with a brown soft eyelid. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll be doing some more get ready with me. I'll be doing another look tomorrow because there's another big event tomorrow. So I'm gonna be doing probably a red lip because I'm gonna be wearing all black. So yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to shop GALORE for this new lipstick and for the lip liner. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I forgot to show you my outfit. I'm just wearing something businessy. And then I wear some heels, but our hotel has a whole casino. I just want to show you guys. So guys, I was literally doing my makeup when I got the message that our event's not canceled, but we're canceled. I can't explain a lot. So our fighter automatically went, and we're leaving today. So I'm just gonna finish doing my eyebrows because we still gotta go to the event, but I'm not gonna get dressed up. I'm not gonna get all dressed up because we're gonna leave back to Wisconsin again. So I'm just gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna show you guys around the event a little bit. Show you guys like what the event's about. So yeah.